Our tip of the week, I'm not going to miss you on this one, though. Our tip of the week is wall texture is very important. I went into a home, brand new home, and they wanted no texture.
Very expensive.
Very expensive, and it looked like crap.
Yeah.
You notice, you can see every little movement in the wall. You can see every little nail hole, every little scuff, crack, anything. It looks terrible. And these people, they were crabby about it. Like they put piece of tape on every little thing that you could see, and I'm like, that's never gonna. You guys are gonna be putting on tape forever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
Yeah.
You know,
Do you want me to shine my light across the wall?
Yeah, you're
find
without texture, you're gonna see every little imperfection in that wall. With texture, if you have knockdown texture like this is, okay, I had a big old mirror here, and they had glue splotches on it, and when I pulled that off, pieces of drywall came popping. I could patch it, and I could retexture it, and you would never know where those spots were, okay? But if you didn't have any texture, you'd be able to call them out in no time, you know? So make sure when you're doing your walls, get some kind of texture in your walls. Not a big fan of sand texture anymore. Just it's too obvious when there's problems, and you can never get it perfect, you know. With knockdown,
you brush up against it, it's sandpaper.
It's literally sandpaper, yeah. But with like a knockdown or an orange peel, it's very easy to replicate. You can get a little can of it at the store and do it on your own. It's pretty easy to do. Just if you're going to do it on your own, I would recommend practicing on a piece of cardboard before you go and start spraying it all over the place. So yeah. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, you guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know when we put out the next one, give me a bell notification. It's a little bell on the bottom right-hand side. And subscribe. You want to know when I'm coming out with new stuff or whatever. You want to be able to check us out and be alerted to new video content coming your way. Subscribe button's really the way to go. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.